With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everybody. So the question we have got here is a candidate, in order to study the importance of certain factors in photosynthesis, took a potted plant and kept it in dark for over 24 hours. Then in the early hours of the morning, she covered one of those flowers with black paper in the center only. Okay. She placed the potted plant in the sunlight for a few hours and then tested the leaf which was covered with black paper for starch. So what has happened here is, suppose this is the leaf that she took. So she covered the center part. Suppose this one with the black paper, just this part, and other one is not covered. Okay, it's uncovered. So what we need to tell is, we need to describe step by step how the candidate proceeded to test the leaf for the presence of starch. So how she will proceed? First, she will boil this leaf with alcohol. She can take any alcohol, methanol, ethanol. Okay, once the leaf is boiled with alcohol, what will happen? This leaf will become colorless. Okay, then we'll wash this leaf with hot water so that if any alcohol is present on this leaf, the colorless one, so that can be removed. Okay, so what is the next step? The next step is to remove the paper and put iodine solution, drops of iodine, one on the uncovered part and one on the covered part. Okay, so what will be the answer, or what will be the observation that she'll note? She'll note that on the covered part it is colorless. Still the leaf is colorless on the covered part, and on the uncovered part the leaf turns blue in color. So let us know the reason behind it. Because if this part of the leaf was covered, okay, so this part of the leaf won't get if this is the sun, so this part of the leaf won't get the sunlight, but yes, this part of the leaf is getting the sunlight. So on the uncovered part there will be photosynthesis and glucose will be made, that is starch will be made. Okay, but on the on the covered part starch won't be made. So this will result in no starch formation. So when we put iodine on the covered part, there was no starch on that portion of the leaf, and that's why it turned colorless only. It stayed colorless only while the other leaf turned blue in color. Thank you so much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.